What's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful and blissful day, and I hope and pray all your wishes come true. If you're feeling down today, I want you to watch this video. Hopefully it makes you feel better. Without further ado, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go. If you're feeling down today, I want you to know that there's always happiness in letting things go. Just remember, whatever makes you cry now is going to be something you're going to laugh off later. So try to be strong with your emotion. Just remember that everything will bypass and then you'll be alright again, just like how you were before. If you're feeling down today, I want you to remember this. Don't let anyone or anybody hinder your purpose in life. You know, only you know what you want to do in life. Only you control your life, not nobody else. You're not a puppet, okay? And if you're feeling down today, I want you to understand that change is uncomfortable, but it's also necessary. If you're feeling down today, I want you to express your emotion. Don't suppress it. Because once you let it out, you feel a lot better, you know? If you're feeling down today and you're just sad, you know, just know that it's okay. We go through phases of emotions. It's just a part of life, you know? Either it's good, either it's bad. But whatever it is, just make sure you pull through and make sure you come back being a person that you are today. If you're feeling down today, just remember that whatever ended, relationship, job, whatever it is, you know, just know that there's a reason for it and it's only going to get better from here on out. If you feel down, just remember you choose your emotion. The sun will always rise and every day is going to be a new day. Pick your emotion and then choose to be happy. Flip the frown upside down and just smile and just be happy. I just want to make a quick video to remind you guys that it's okay if you're feeling down today. Tomorrow is a new day. The next week is going to be a new week. You know, the next month is going to be a new month. So keep your head up. Be all right. Join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go.